Okay, now you also have the replacement function, or the replacement method in, you also have the replacement method in Python, which is the dot replace. Now here it will take 2 arguments, and that makes sense, right? You want to say what it is that you're trying to replace and what you want to replace it with. And if it takes 2 arguments or a number of arguments, the arguments are normally separated from each other by using a comma. So let's say, for example, I have a boyfriend called Jack, and I put him into a variable name called old boyfriend. So it'll be, I had a boyfriend named Jack, but Jack did something that I didn't like. Hopefully something a little more serious than just, I don't like the way he eats. And I want to replace Jack with my new boyfriend, Jake. So essentially, this is an easy swap for me. All I want to do is I want to use a dot replace function, and I want to substitute the CK with a KE to change Jack into Jake. So here I've got my old boyfriend. That's my variable name that I created up there. Old boyfriend dot replace the CK in the name Jack to KE, and then I stored it in this new boyfriend variable name. So now I'm printing new variable name, and now it says my new boyfriend is now Jake and not Jack. So useful function, useful method. Okay, but you would probably use it more in DNA and proteins, right? Or something related to bioinformatics. So you can replace multiple characters, and you can even replace it with nothing, which is another way of saying deleting characters. So here you've got a protein sequence containing a number of amino acids, but you want to remove this, right? So then you would say protein here dot replace the pad, comma, what it needs to replace it with, and here you've just put 2 quotation marks with nothing inside of it. If you do put an actual space there, that is different to putting nothing in there, because now you're saying replace that with a space, not replace it with nothing. So you just have to bear in mind that this does 2 different things, right? You have to just put quotation marks in there with nothing in between if you want to remove this. The minute you put a space here, like that, or tab, or whatever the case may be, it will replace it with that. So just know that there is a difference between these 2.